We are Quiq, and we power conversations between customers and brands. So let's see it in action with a fictional company, Quicksilver Mountain, a retail goods and services company that enabled Quiq for their business. Quicksilver Mountain previously only had the traditional channels of phone, email, and a basic web chat. They knew they needed to upgrade their software tools to make their employees and customer experiences better, so they turned to Quiq. First, let's look at their phone solution. Phone IVRs are good, but when you give customers who have called you the option to text instead directly from the IVR, you've delighted your customers.
Thank you for calling Quicksilver Mountain. Our agents are currently helping other customers. There's currently a 6-minute wait. You can either stay on the line and wait, or push 1 for us to text message you. You have selected 1. We will text you at this number. Thank you.
Implementing phone to text turned into a notable cost savings for Quicksilver. What they found was over 10% of the customer phone calls selected to be text instead when given the choice. Web chat is a must for businesses, but not all web chat solutions are the same. You see, Quiq's web chat solution is asynchronous, meaning it can start and stop at any time. So when the customer is surfing around on your own site, the agent can follow along with the customer. But when the customer leaves your site and goes somewhere else, but then they come back later, Quiq can pick up right where the conversation left off. As a retail company, outbound messaging is equally important for a great customer experience. Yes, Quiq sends the notification, but you see it's two-way enabled. So when the customer is sent the order received message, the customer can respond immediately back to the agent, for instance, when the order is wrong or needs to be adjusted. In fact, for Overstock, they've seen the message open rate of 98% with outbound messaging. Email doesn't even come close. Quicksilver Mountain understands the importance of empowering the agents. The Quiq UI is cloud-based and has numerous efficiency tools to make work easier for the agents. When agents need help from another employee or manager, they can collaborate from the same window. And if the agent needs to escalate, they can simply transfer as well. When agents have the right tools and resources, they perform better and they're happier too. Being able to handle multiple conversations over multiple channels was the goal for Quicksilver Mountain. They needed the ability to support the channels that their customers want to be on, but it can't be confusing. And since the Quiq UI is intuitive, employees can handle multiple, simultaneous conversations from across different channels. You see, regardless of the channel the customer comes in on, all the features, the messaging, the tools, all work the same for the agent. No opening a new tab or switching to a different interface. Multiple conversations are automatically prioritized based on the customer's cadence, proactively moving to the most important conversation to the top. Quiq's proprietary adaptive response timer provides visual clues to alert agents when conversations need attention, ensuring that customers receive a great experience. When customers contact Quicksilver Mountain, they can monitor the time it takes to respond. This patented system keeps agents on task to quickly respond. When customers are delayed in responding to agents, they can move them to the inactive queue. This way, an agent is always able to service a customer versus waiting around for the customer. Quiq is architected with an API-first strategy. So if your team is using Salesforce, Oracle Service Cloud, and Zendesk, Quiq has standard integrations that easily allow messaging to be seamlessly added into your existing employee experience. You see, our goal isn't to displace your existing system, but instead work in harmony with them. With Quiq's integration frameworks, you can easily customize our UI to include data from your internal operation systems, or synchronize conversation data from your reporting, customer, and other back-end systems. Quiq also supports rich messaging. That includes Apple Business Chat and Google RBM, which allows for richer experiences within the message. For instance, Quicksilver Mountain offers services like guided expeditions. So now agents can send over and respond schedule cards to the customers. This is an easy UI for both the agent and the customer in conversing about scheduling. Not only does Quiq have its own bot platform, but we support third-party bots as well. For us, bots are treated like first-class citizens, just like any other agent. Bots can be used at any point in the chat or the messaging conversation, from the beginning, middle, or at the end. Repetitive tasks like taking customer contact information are now handled by a bot. Once the bot gathers the information required, it simply transfers the customer back to the agent. Bots like this have saved hours of agent time. In fact, the company Stio found that their bot saved them 83 agent hours in just 2 weeks after launch. Conversational commerce was another important factor for choosing Quiq. You see, Quiq's robust set of tools include the ability to send over payment requests via messaging. It's easy for the agent, and it's even easier for the customer. Agents no longer need to change screens or transfer to a different department. For example, when a customer receives their order notification and they realize they forgot to add an item, they can simply reply back to the notification and they can be speaking directly with an agent. And then they can add the additional item to that order, and then they can process that payment at the same time too. See, it's quick and easy. The results are incredible, and just don't take our word for it. Quiq customers have the stats to prove the ROI is real. There is so much more Quiq can offer your business. Contact us today to find out how Quiq can transform your business and customer experiences to a better one.